In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best icon changer apps for Android. If you're looking to customize your app icons and give your home screen a fresh new look, these apps are just what you need. Join us as we dive into their features and see how they can enhance your device's appearance. Customize Icon Changer. Customize Icon Changer is an intuitive app that allows users to easily change the icons of their apps with just a few taps. The app offers a wide variety of icons to choose from, or users can upload their own custom images to create a personalized look. In addition to changing icons, this app also provides options to customize app names and launchers, enabling a full makeover of the home screen. Its user-friendly interface makes it simple for anyone to design a unique and stylish appearance for their device. X Icon Changer. X Icon Changer is a powerful app designed for changing app icons quickly and efficiently. It allows users to select from a vast library of icons or upload their own images. One of the standout features of X Icon Changer is its ability to create shortcuts for the modified icons, making it easy to maintain functionality. The app also enables users to personalize app names and offers various advanced customization features, such as icon resizing and applying themes. Whether you want to revamp your home screen or simply give specific apps a fresh look, X Icon Changer is a versatile option. App Icon Changer. App Icon Changer is a straightforward and effective app that focuses on allowing users to modify app icons with minimal effort. The app provides an extensive collection of icons, along with the option to choose images from the device's gallery. Users can easily change icons for both installed apps and system apps. App Icon Changer also allows users to rename their apps, providing additional customization. Its simple interface is ideal for users who want an easy way to personalize their home screen without complex processes. Thank you for watching our video on the best icon changer apps for Android. We hope these recommendations inspire you to personalize your device and make it uniquely yours. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.